of all, thank you for choosing Weld County Garage. I want to tell you a little bit about myself really quick. Before the world changed, I did inventory here, and then things changed and I had to become a sales consultant. So I promise to give you the best experience that I can, make it as less stressful as possible. You have my name and number, all my information right here on your email, so anytime you need to talk to me about anything, let me know. I'm here to help you find the best vehicle for you. We are a non-commissioned sales team. We also are a no haggling dealership. We are one price now. So hopefully that'll help you just ease a little stress in buying a new car, and come and see me, and I hope that we can find something for you. Thank you so much.